Guys, it is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2023 at 2:45 a.m. Alright, let's start with the Bible verse of the day. We have, who is going to harm you if you are eager to do good? 1 Peter 3:13. Alright guys, so this video is going to be about weather. I don't usually go into the weather too much if we're not in hurricane season or if there's not a big tornado storm event happening, but I just wanted to share some weather today. Let's start with, look at this moisture here on the bottom left of Mexico and California here in the Pacific. Look at that's a lot of moisture coming in. That's going to affect Mexico, and it's going to affect California. It's going to bring a lot of moisture in if it does make it into land. And then look at all the moisture that's happening in Washington and Oregon, Idaho and Montana. Look at all that water and snow and storms coming in. Alright, let's take a look here at the forecast models. Let's see what we have for the next couple of days. We got snow coming in. You see here for Idaho, Oregon, Washington, California, Nevada. A lot of snow here. There's also snow for the Great Lakes and New England, and rain for parts of the South. Alright, let's play it. See what else it brings. Snow for the Four Corners. Alright, some storms for the southeast. A low of 987 right there in the middle of Arkansas, Louisiana, parts of Tennessee. And then it heads up and brings more snow to the northeast and the Great Lakes region. Alright, that's May 5th, May 4th. March. I'm reading it as an MA, so I keep thinking it's May. Alright, March 10th, we have snow up here, Montana, parts of California, parts of Nevada, parts of Dakotas. Alright, more rain and moisture coming into the west coast. Some possible storms here for North Carolina, Tennessee on the 12th. And more snow coming in. So we're not done with winter yet. Alright, let's take a look at windy. We have some rain off the shore here of the east coast, and some moisture here in the California, Dakotas, some moisture here in the Great Lakes. Yeah, so there's also moisture here. I keep noticing this moisture below Hawaii over here. There's so much moisture out there. Alright, let's take a look at the National Weather Service. We have heavy snow will continue to impact parts of the northeast through Tuesday. A series of winter storm systems will continue to impact the west coast through Wednesday, with the final storm in the series pushing over the southwest United States Wednesday into Thursday. Strong winds and dry conditions for portions of the southern plains will result in elevated to critical fire weather again on Tuesday. You see this critical fire weather possible right here. Red flag warnings for Texas, Oklahoma, for the whole south, mid-south right here. There's red flag warnings of possible fire. So please be careful if you live in these areas. Don't go out, trying to start fires or leave cigarette butts anywhere. Alright, and then we have for the northeast, winter weather advisories for New York and northeastern Pennsylvania, as well as southern Maine and New Hampshire. Alright guys, and then we have winter storm warnings for California, southern Oregon, and parts of western Nevada. Alright guys, let's go into frost freeze. close this advertisement. This is the frost freeze line right here, as you see it. That's the anywhere above there, which is basically below temperatures, will be the freeze line, and anything below here is pretty much warmer, so it won't freeze, it won't be snow or ice. So please be aware of this and stay warm. Make sure you drive safe. Alright, let's take a look at the winds, the moisture, less dry air and drier air. A lot of Sahara dust still here off of Africa. Alright, so we're still not ready for hurricane season yet. We're far off, but it's always good to take a look at all the models and to look at basically all the things that are happening with the weather in our region. It's great to know and to keep, your eye on what could possibly happen. Here we have the lower temperatures. We got lower temperatures to the north, 16 degrees, 17 degrees Montana, 34 Idaho, 39 Washington, and 27 Oregon. So we have pretty much 40s and 50s California, and yet the south 60s and 70s all the way down to Miami and the Keys. Alright, let's take a look at the SPC. This is day 2 categorical outlook. We have for Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday the 1st and Thursday the 2nd, we have these are the possible areas for slight to marginal possibility of severe weather. So we're having Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama. This part as well as parts of Georgia, Tennessee, and South Carolina, and North Carolina, as well as Kentucky and parts of Ohio. This whole region possibly getting some slight to marginal severe weather. So we don't know if it will develop any more the closer we get to these days, Wednesday and Thursday, if it will develop more or not. But it is pretty much possibility of severe weather in these regions. So please stay safe, please stay aware, and God bless you guys. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Looking at the weather, just browsing through, seeing what is possibly interesting happening right now with the weather. Alright guys, see you guys next time. God bless.